Hey our friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Charizard for beginners, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started by splitting our paper directly in half. We're going to come over on the left. We're going to curve this line up on a diagonal, rounding that out, bringing that through towards the side. We're going to leave a gap, lining that up at the same height, and we're just going to replicate this on the right hand side. Let's continue to round this out on the top. So from this very top line here, we're going to curve this out on a slight diagonal. And then now let's close off the face. So coming up, we're going to curve this line across for the top of the head. We're going to leave a small gap as we move down. We're going to curve this out, in, back down towards the bottom. We'll line this up at the exact same height on the right-hand side and just replicate that as best as we can. Let's round that cheek out. So we're going to curve this out. And now from here, from the side, we're going to curve this all the way through and in towards the center. We're going to step up for the chin, leaving a slight gap, curving this in on a diagonal. And then we're going to flatten this out, curving that across. Now let's move up from the center for the mouth. We're going to draw in two slightly curved diagonal lines. Now from here, we're going to curve that out slightly again towards the side. And now from that point, we're just going to curve this around and back through on a diagonal. Let's draw in the fangs. So we're going to draw in a diagonal line coming in from that point. And then we'll bring this line coming up and through towards the top. Now let's come up for the snout. So right in the middle of both of these, coming down, we're going to curve this up, around, and down on the left. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. So starting back on that line, we're going to curve this up, down, and across. Let's come down for his nostrils. So leaving a gap, coming over on the left, we're going to curve this line out. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. And then we'll come underneath, stepping in on this line slightly, curving that around, connecting that in the corner. And then we'll just color those nostrils in black. Now let's add in the eyes. So coming up here, we're going to draw a diagonal line curving that up. Now we're going to bring this diagonal line across. So we're going to curve this over and out towards the side. Let's move underneath. So coming down, leaving a slight gap, we're going to curve this up, flattening that out on the bottom, bringing that across. And then now from that edge, we're just going to curve this around and in towards the top. Now let's draw in the eyeball. So on the left-hand side here, we're going to curve this line up. We'll step in on this line too and replicate that on the right. Now from here beside that, we're going to draw in an oval for the highlight. And then moving underneath for the pupil, we're just going to draw in a nice big curved line, curving that back up on both sides. And then we'll just color that in black. Now let's add in the ears. So stepping in slightly from this line, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming up. We'll do the exact same thing on the right-hand side towards the top corner of the page. And then we're going to leave a gap. We're going to line this up at the same height, bringing this diagonal line down. And now let's round this out on the top. So we're just going to curve this around and in. And then lastly, for that neckline, we're just going to draw in a curved line coming down on the left and right hand side, ending that at the same height. And then we'll just close this off on the bottom with a curved line. And that is it. That's how you draw Charizard. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.